Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to minimize YouTube video on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on advanced features. Then click on multi-windows. Once you selected multi-window, make sure you enable swipe for pop-up view and then swipe for split screen. Now go ahead and open YouTube, then scroll through and then select the YouTube video you want to watch. Once you selected it and then the video is playing, swipe up to see all open apps on your Samsung phone. Click on the YouTube app logo, then click on open in pop-up view. Then you should see the YouTube video like this. Now you can search through YouTube for another video you want to watch. Go ahead and play the video, and then you can even adjust the size to make it more smaller. Now this will allow you to do or perform other tasks on your phone while the YouTube video is playing like this. So you can just go ahead, do some other things on your phone while it is playing. And if you swipe up and then the YouTube video disappear, then locate the YouTube pop-up like this, click on it to reveal the YouTube video that you are watching. So you can now go ahead, perform other tasks. So that is basically how to minimize YouTube video on Samsung, or how to open YouTube video on pop-up view on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.